All right, veterans, we're going to talk about what you can and cannot buy with your VA loan. We got a list of stuff that is approved. We got a list of stuff that is not approved for your VA loan. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up. This comes from Chapter 2 of the 26-7. That's the VA Handbook. It's where all the best information is. All right, here we go. To purchase or construct a residence, including a condo unit, to be owned and occupied by a veteran as a home. The loan may include the simultaneous purchase of the land where the condo or residence may be located. Loans may be guaranteed for the construction of a home on the land already owned by a veteran. The residential property may not consist of more than 4 family units in one business unit. In the case of certain joint loans, see Section 1 of Chapter 7. To refi a VA guaranteed or direct loan for the purpose of a lower interest rate. That is an interest rate reduction loan. These are an amazing thing our VA loans have for us. And the best part about it is they're cheap. There's not a lot of documentation. They're fast. It's always a good option. When the market relaxes and rates go down, if you're eligible, 210 days from your first payment, you should absolutely consider it. To refi an existing mortgage loan or other indebtedness secured by a lien of record on a residence owned and occupied by a veteran as a home. So, there we go. To repair, alter, and improve a residence owned by a veteran and occupied as a home. So you could refinance for a remodel if you needed to. To simultaneously purchase and improve a home. So I got asked about this. There are lenders out there like EPM who do have renovation loans for veterans. But you need to check with your loan originator because it varies on states and if you qualify for certain, So, yes, they're out there. To improve a residence owned and occupied by a veteran as the veteran's home through the installation of a solar heating and or cooling system through the residential energy conservation measure. This is a type of loan can be made in conjunction with any VA purchase or refi. We're talking about an energy efficient mortgage. You can get up to $6,000 for energy efficient upgrades. We're talking windows, water heaters, whatever you can do, as long as it qualifies as an energy efficient upgrade, you could tack that on to your already pre-approved VA loan. To purchase a one-family residential unit in a condominium housing development approved by the VA. So, the trick to that is we can get we can get most condominiums approved through VA. You just have to reach out to us. It takes a little bit more time, takes a little bit more work on parts of the seller and the buyer's real estate agent, but we absolutely can get it done. We got one done in December, and it was absolutely a breeze. So you just got to let us know earlier, and your real estate agent needs to be having those conversations prior to us getting into mutual. Things you cannot buy. Okay, so here's a list that these are all no-goes for the VA loan. A piece of unimproved land with intent to improve at some future point, not in conjunction with a construction loan. So, if you buy land with a construction loan and build on that land, you can use your VA loan. If you just buy dry land, unimproved dirt, and you expect to be able to use your VA loan, you can't. It needs to be in conjunction with a construction loan. To purchase or construct a dwelling for an investment purposes. So I've seen this a few times. There's lots of things you can do with a VA loan. You can buy a duplex, you can buy a triplex, you can buy a quadplex. And you only have to live in one of them. You can rent the other 3 out. But if you purchase or buy any dwelling for an investment purpose, it is not allowed. Okay? Okay. Purchase or construction of a combined residential and business property, unless the property is primarily for residential purposes, there is not more than one business unit in it, and the non-residential area cannot exceed 25%. So there it is. You can buy whatever building you want, even if it has one business unit, and it cannot be more than 25% of the allowed space in the building. All right, last one. The purchase of more than one separate residential lot, unless the veteran will occupy one unit and there is evidence that the units are unavailable separately. Residential units have a common owner. There have been treated as one unit in the past. Residential units are assessed as one unit and the partition is not practical, as in one unit serves the other. So, common washrooms, shared driveways, stuff like that makes two buildings in one lot, one building altogether. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about anything VA, don't hesitate to hit me up. I'm Byron Thomas, a veteran and a loan officer from Clear Choice Mortgage. Follow me here for more mortgage tips. Peace.